You tap your phone. 1 second, done. No wallet, no cash, no hassle. Feels like magic, right? But here's what nobody tells you. Every single tap is a data point. Every purchase you make is a story about you. And someone is reading that story right now. Cashless doesn't mean free, it means control. This is the dark truth about digital payments. Let's go back, way back, before banks, before cards. You had a cow, I had rice. We made a deal. Simple, human, private. Cash has one superpower nobody talks about. It forgets. You buy a sandwich with cash, nobody knows. You donate with cash, nobody knows. Cash doesn't judge, cash doesn't report, cash doesn't remember. Then came coins, then came paper money. A man forgot his wallet at a restaurant. His name was Frank McNamara. He was humiliated, so he invented the first credit card, the Diners Club card. And just like that, the era of paying without cash had begun. Nobody knew it then, but that forgotten wallet changed. In Sweden, 98% of all purchases are cashless. In India, digital payments jumped 55 times in 5 years. The world is going cashless, fast. But here's the question nobody is asking loudly enough. You think going cashless is convenient for you, but it is very, very convenient for someone else. Banks, payment companies, governments, and a new breed of corporation whose entire business is knowing everything about you. Someone is definitely reading it. Let's follow a regular person. Call her Maya. She orders coffee on an app. She taps her card on the metro. She buys lunch with her phone. She pays her electricity bill online. Normal day, right? But here's what actually happened. In one single day, Maya told the world where she woke up, what she craves, which route she takes, what she worries about, and she didn't say a single word. Her money did the talking. This is called a transaction trail, and you agreed to all of it. Let's talk about the social credit system. Most people think this is a China thing. If your score drops, you can be banned from trains, from flights, from certain schools, from certain jobs, all based on how you spend money, who you associate with, what you buy. Okay, you might say, that's China, that won't happen here. In the United States, private companies already run their own versions, financial behavior scores. Your bank can flag you, your insurance can raise rates, your loan can be denied because of what you bought last Tuesday. WikiLeaks published documents, and within days, Visa, MasterCard, and PayPal froze their accounts. No court order, no trial. The government ordered banks to freeze accounts of donors, people who gave $20, frozen. Could that happen if they used cash? No, because cash doesn't leave a trail. She searched back pain, bought a heating pad. Now her phone is full of health product ads. Her insurance company quietly raises her premium. She never filed a claim. She just spent money in Over 130 countries are currently developing their own digital currency. They can have expiry dates. They can be restricted. They can be programmable. Your money just stops working. No freeze notice, no court order. It just doesn't work today. But here's where the story turns, because people are noticing. In Nigeria, when the government tried to remove cash too fast, the people pushed back hard. Even in Silicon Valley, the most powerful tech people pay with cash, on purpose, because they know exactly what data trails look like. Privacy researchers, digital rights groups, even some central bankers are asking the same question: how do we have efficiency without giving up freedom? And the honest answer is, we don't have a good solution yet. Right now, the power sits almost entirely with platforms, banks, and governments, and very little with you. Technology built this system, and technology can also protect you inside it. Remember Maya? She still uses digital payments, but now she knows. She uses cash for private things. She reads the permissions she gives apps. Cashless doesn't mean free, but it doesn't automatically mean prison either. The difference is whether you're asleep at the wheel or awake. Cash remembers nothing. Digital payments remember everything. The question is, are you okay with what they're remembering? Because somebody is definitely reading it. Your money talks. Make sure it's saying what you want. Drop a comment. Share it with someone. Stay